Welcome to my channel. I'm thrilled to provide to you today a step-by-step manual on how to attain financial plenty and open up the path to prosperity. You've come to the correct place whether you want to secure your financial future or just establish a strong foundation for your future. I'll be outlining the most successful 10 steps to become wealthy in this video. The final step is crucial and shouldn't be overlooked. Without further ado, let's get started and investigate how you might start on your path to being wealthy. 1. Never operate at a loss. Spending less than one makes is the easiest, but it is the most difficult action one can take to develop wealth. Although it may sound absurd, many people use credit cards to finance the difference between their income and outgoing expenses. They believe that their financial situation will even out as they continue to earn more money, but in actuality, they begin to spend more as soon as they begin to do so. They continue to lose money because the unhealthy behavior persists. 2. Place a tax on yourself. You discover out a way to afford it if the government unexpectedly raised taxes and demanded an additional $100 per month from you. An emergency saving is going to be required. However, people frequently come up with excuses for why they can't save $100 every month when it comes to finances. Create a bank transfer that will happen automatically so that as soon as you get a paycheck, a tiny piece of it will be sent to your savings account. The best course of action is to deny its existence. You'll appreciate yourself in a few years. If you want to know more financial tricks and secrets, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 3. Open an IRA account to get interest that is tax-free. The greatest thing a regular individual can do is create an IRA account, which may serve as both a primary and supplementary savings account. But the goal here is to delay using money until far later in life. There are consequences if you leave it before you turn 65. However, one benefit of having money in an IRA is that it may grow tax-free, which, when compounded over 3 or 4 decades, adds up to a significant amount of money. 4. Build a side hustle. The most prosperous business people in the world still engage in side jobs. A billionaire typically has 7 streams of income, according to Warren Buffett. A portion of the procedure entails having several sources of income. Identifying what you can provide or offer others that truly adds value is the best thing you can do. Sam Ovens, a millionaire online course seller and business consultant, is a prime example of a successful entrepreneur. In a lecture, he stated, "The most important lesson I've learned is that you have to sell something that the market genuinely wants." Simple, yes, but that's how it ought to be. You're in amazing shape if you can manage to put off spending your side hustle earnings and put it aside. Are you involved in any side businesses? Do let me know in the comments. 5. You should always pay off your credit card's bills. Whatever level of entrepreneurship you possess, maxing out your credit cards without having steady sources of revenue to make regular payments is reckless. Never base financial decisions on what you anticipate making in the future, always base them on what you are presently earning. You should wait to reinvest or spend money until it has arrived at your door. If not, interest payments are going to cause you to collapse. 6. Specify financial goals at the beginning of each quarter and year. You usually behave more fiscally prudently when you have a goal in mind. Without a specific objective, it is much simpler to justify impulsive purchases. Set a major goal for yourself at the beginning of the year, then divide it into quarterly or 3-month chunks so you can track your progress as you go. These more manageable objectives make the bigger one appear more doable and will help you determine if you're on the right track as you go. This step is the most crucial one, and I would suggest that you should do it at the beginning. 7. Stick to the 50-30-20 rule. According to a wonderful article, most financial experts advise allocating 50% of your income to necessities, such housing, vehicle payments, food, etc., 30% to wants, like clothing, good dinners, etc., and the remaining 20% to savings. This is called the 50-30-20 rule. You're most likely going to live off of 70% of your income, spend 20%, and save 10% when you're first starting out on the path to financial success. You are in good condition if you can even accomplish that. However, you should aim to adhere to the 50-30-20 guideline by writing all your expenses. 8. Hang around with individuals who are prudent with their money. Being around successful individuals who have already achieved it is the best way to become successful financially. Finding people who are more experienced than you and from whom you can learn is one way to do this. Another is to make sure that the people in your social circle have similar financial aspirations. When you spend time around reckless spenders, it might be challenging to maintain your financial control and will cause you to lose your money. Finding a family friend who can serve as your mentor throughout the process and is a successful money manager is a terrific method to master the skill of managing money. If you express a sincere desire to figure out how to construct something similar for yourself, odds are good that someone will be willing to assist. An open mind is quite helpful. 9. Examine your progress over an entire year, not a single month. Even while it's essential to continually track your advancement month to month, evaluating achievement over longer time frames is even more crucial. The financial habits you have are well represented by a year. Given the unpredictable nature of life, some months may not be ideal while others may be fantastic. It's crucial, though, that you have at least 10% of your salary saved up by the end of the year. If absolutely nothing is being preserved, how else are you going to create real riches for yourself? Simply ask yourself this straightforward question. 10. Don't play the stock market. Try not to time the stock market unless trading is what you do for a living. Remember that the stock market is wiser than you. Never assume that you are able to predict which stocks will perform well and which ones will not. It's naive and irresponsible to believe you can achieve something for which other people work their entire life on a daily basis. It's a game of chance if you don't know about stocks and are still trying to trade. Instead, put some of the money you're prepared to lose into investments in businesses that you think are going to be successful and that you want to hang on to for the long run. The greatest course of action is to discuss these choices with a financial counselor, and the best course of action is to invest in the long-term possibilities through your IRA. In this way, your gains continue to be tax-free. That's all for today. A very big thanks to you all for staying with me till here. If you want to know more financial tricks and secrets, then do subscribe our channel and also hit the like button. This small action of yours helps us to make more amazing videos for you all. Share this video with as many friends as you can. Let me know in the comments that whether you understood all the steps or you need any more help in understanding. Once again, thank you for watching.